Understanding Rolling the Bones, a deep dive into English idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome to our language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the intriguing phrase, rolling the bones. This expression is a great example of how colorful and historical idioms can be in the English language. So, let's roll right into it and uncover its meaning and usage. The phrase, rolling the bones, has its roots in ancient practices of divination. Traditionally, it referred to the act of throwing bones or dice to predict the future. These bones, often from animals, were considered to hold mystical power. Over time, the phrase evolved and started to be used more broadly, transcending its original mystical connotations. In modern English, rolling the bones has taken on a metaphorical meaning. It's commonly used to describe taking a chance or risk in a situation. When someone says they are rolling the bones, they imply that they are relying on luck or fate, rather than certainty, to determine the outcome of their actions. It's similar to saying, taking a gamble, or leaving it to chance. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. In decision-making. I didn't know if the new job would be better, so I decided to roll the bones and accept the offer. 2. In games. In the game, when it was my turn, I rolled the bones, hoping for a high number. 3. In everyday speech. Choosing a vacation spot was tough, so we just rolled the bones and picked a destination randomly. Interestingly, the phrase has also been used in literature, music, and gaming culture. For example, in certain role-playing games, rolling the bones can literally mean rolling dice to determine the outcome of an action. This showcases the versatility and enduring appeal of the phrase across different contexts. Thank you for joining us in exploring the fascinating phrase, rolling the bones. We hope this video has shed light on not just the meaning, but also the rich historical and cultural layers behind this idiom. Remember, idioms like these add color and depth to our language, making English an exciting linguistic journey. Until our next video, keep learning and maybe even try rolling the bones in your language adventures.